is an excellency. The governor of Abia State. And he's here with Peter B is also here. All of them will come out together. When they come with the master, you can't stop that.
Yes! It's up to us!
Agumba is here.
Are you a teacher?
He's here. Agumba is here. AIG, Governor, Excellency is here. And ladies and gentlemen,
Make your noise! His Excellency is here. Peter is here. The people's president is here. The Nawai Deputy President is here. He lost you. He lost you. He lost you. He wants to make you happy. Very, very compassionate. Ladies and gentlemen, the people's president, African awaiting president, ladies and gentlemen. He's here. Okutendibo is here. Ibo. Ladies and gentlemen,
this is Peter B.
come on!
And also, distinguished Senator Atana Jono, the incoming governor of Imo State.
That's right.
And
Right now, Africa was heartbroken, and they're still heartbroken because the land was stolen.
ladies
But
and
by God's
gentlemen,
grace,
this
by
is
God's grace,
the general
our land shall be restored.
This is the one that I go.
Ladies and gentlemen, the hope of Nigeria is here. The sunshine of Africa. The original of the election is here. Thank you, People's President. Thank you, my President.
The national
President. I'm so proud and proud to say it.
The national
National President is here. Mama Manguru is here. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
When I take the national,
Please, may we all rise for the national anthem, please.
shall we be all standing for the national anthem?
As our very dear mother takes the national
The
anthem.
national anthem, please.
You know, Labour Party is founded on integrity, performance, dignity, proactiveness, and performance. And therefore, today, we are going to put what we have for Imo people on the table. A drive round Imo State will show that PDP has failed, APC have failed. If you have tried a product for 16 years, it don't work. You try a product for another 8 years, it don't work. What will a reasonable man do? A reasonable man will change the products. We have tried PDP, it worked. We tried APC, it worked. The result we have is insecurity, is hunger, is unemployment, poor infrastructure, lack of health. Everything for the country don't dabaru. Therefore, what we need to do is for us to change that product. And that product today that we are selling to you is the product of Labour Party.
Mass today to grace this occasion. I'm here as a witness, being that I conducted the primaries that produced distinguished Senator Atan Achonu as the governorship candidate of Labour Party. The reason I say so is that in in no distant future, you are going to see counterfeits, fakes. We have only one governorship candidate for Labour Party, and his name is Senator Atan Ajono. So don't let anybody deceive you. The full weight of the party is behind him. And that is why we have the leader of the party here. We have the national chairman of the party, the national secretary, all national working committee members, and of course, my humble self.
Hello, party! Mama, Papa! Mama, Papa, begin! Thank you. Come on. If we do it, Nigeria will be all right. I said publicly, privately, I will change Nigeria. We know what it takes. We know what it takes to change Nigeria. We know what it takes to change Abia, and it's happening. We know what it takes to change Imo. We know what it takes to change every part of Nigeria. And that's what we are here for. And today, we are here to launch our campaign. Let nobody tell you tomorrow is LP chairman. No, let nobody tell you it's their candidate. We have told you the process. I believe in process. And that is what is critical. The way Adan emerged is the right process. The man who did it is here. The chairman is here. And here is our candidate, Ndimo. We are now asking you, vote for human being, and things will start changing as it's happening now. Thank you and God bless you. We now invite the chairman to officially hand over the flag to our candidate for Imo State.
Labour Party! Well, let me thank His Excellency Alex Oti and our national leader, Peter Obi, for this rare privilege. As the national chairman of the party, with the power conferred on me by the constitution of our party, I now have the honor and privilege, the rare privilege, to hand over and flag off our campaign in Imo State. I now invite Senator Atan Ajono.
Ibere natano, atano, atano. Ibere natano, wilaka gelu. Ibere natano, atano. Bimoninga, wilaka gelu. Bimosasinga, asimo kirolao. Ibere natano, bimo wilaka gelu. Ibere natano, atano. Ibere natano, wilaka gelu.
na November. Yonu mbonge me agame tinyo oku ogeru otu afọ ọkụ enwewe everywhere in Imo State. Agame booze eme local government, autonomy of local government. Regional afọ ga-abata na local government
government niile agụmakpata ụgwọ naira local government aka and a ga-eme election emecha election aha onye unu tere ga-achị onye unu tere no matter party oshi onye owu ga-achị anyị ga-eme free and fair ọ bụrụ na ndị na-ekwu a ga-eme gịnị free and fair and ozugbo nyere ha ikikere ha ebido meziwe road niile nọ na local government m ga-emezi infrastructure niile unu ma ihe mmemewe employment ọkwa ya employment factory anyị ga-enwe agricultural park every local government area of Imo State ebidoro m ihe wit ego akpa m ebe ka anyị n'ụmụ gọọmenti ga-emezi ya na ya ezuo ọ bụrụ na ihe na-ekwu biko
anyị ekwerewo n'oge Chukwu ka mma
ndị wayo mechielu n'ala uche Chukwu ga-eme
Chukwu na ndị ga-emezi ime ụlọ
ọ bụ aka na-achọ
Seneta aka na nwụrụ na ọ bụ aka na-achọ
Igbo, thank you.
ndị Igbo
Asị m ekele unu niile n'aha ndị isi niile bịaranụ taa izi anyị ozi unu anụla ya n'ọnụ onye isi anyị ọnụ onye ndu anyị na the book of Samuel na